Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix limited access, no internet access in Windows 10 or 11. Right click on Start button, click on Run, type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Right click on Wi-Fi, click on Disable and enable it. Go to Windows search bar again. Type cmd, right click Run as administrator, copy the first command from description and paste it and click enter. Copy the second command and paste it and click enter again. Copy the third command and paste it and again click enter. Exit. Restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.